Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts! We're trustedshopingguide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated kitchen storage racks. There's no denying that maintaining your kitchen neat and clean is a challenging task, with all the cooking, steaming, boiling, and grilling that has to be done. So if you're serious about taking control of where you keep your cooking utensils, spices, and other pantry staples, you should definitely consider getting yourself dependable storage racks. These racks are more visible than kitchen cabinets, providing additional incentive to organize your supplies before starting on your next meal. In this video, to help you match up with the right decision and capacity, we have gathered the 7 top-rated kitchen storage racks on the market. The team at trustedshopingguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the kitchen racks that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedshopingguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first kitchen storage rack on our list is the VASAGLE Baker's Rack. When you add the VASAGLE Baker's Rack, you're not only getting storage for your kitchen supplies, but you're also getting a place to put your potted plants and other greenery. You can also match your interior design by picking from the color options of rustic brown, charcoal gray, toasted oak, and grayish. As for the profile, it has a frame that is 15.75 inches in length, 35.43 inches in width, and 51.97 inches in height, with a weight of 34.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VASAGLE Baker's Rack a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: simplified assembly. To help you set up easier, this product includes numbered parts and an instruction manual that will guide you through the installation process. Categorized storage. Helping you organize your kitchen tools by category, this model has 4 main tiers with 1 smaller tier and a basket. Classic frame. Serving elegance and sturdiness, this rack has a classic black steel frame, rustic brown shelves, and X-bars to support your daily essentials. Secure profile. With 0.8-inch steel tubes that are partnered with quality particle board, adjustable feet, and an anti-tip kit, it's guaranteed that your shelf will stay up for as long as you intended to. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is a lot of the parts are not connected at all, so it might take a while to put together. The second kitchen storage rack on our list is the SUPERJARE Kitchen Baker's Rack. With a rustic brown appearance, the SUPERJARE Kitchen Baker's Rack prioritizes a clean aesthetic as it gives you shelves that will keep your cooking area tidy. It has 3 bottom shelves with a loading capacity of 110 pounds and 2 top shelves with a loading capacity of 33 pounds. In terms of dimensions, it has a 13.8-inch length, 31.5-inch width, and a 65-inch height with a weight of 46.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SUPERJARE Kitchen Baker's Rack a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to install. Out of the box, all the components of this rack are numbered, so you won't have to take extra time, effort, or energy to piece them together. High-quality frame. The combination of P2 board for the tabletop surface and the all-metal frame makes this product have extreme durability and stability. 6 S-shaped hooks. You can say goodbye to a messy kitchen with the 6 S-shaped hooks that you can use to keep your towels, mugs, spoon, and other kitchenware. Handy power outlets. Doubling as a charging station, this product comes with a power outlet to keep your mobile devices on and to help you power your electrical kitchen appliances. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is some users find that the X-bar design on the back is a bit shaky. The third kitchen storage rack on our list is the Kitchen Baker's Rack. The 5 spacious tiers of the Kitchen Baker's Rack impart extra room for your daily essentials, keeping your vegetables, fruit, and meat in plain sight and easily accessible. With a loading capacity of 100 pounds, the tabletop will prevent your stuff from wobbling, so you can even use it as a working area occasionally. As for the size, it weighs 45.3 pounds with a frame that is 15.75 inches in length, 31.5 inches in width, and 63 inches in height. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Kitchen Baker's Rack a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: quick assembly. The anti-tip mechanism and adjustable legs of this rack make it easy to install, only requiring 10 to 20 minutes. 8 extra S-shaped side hooks, helping you hang cooking spoons, tongs, gloves, pot holders, and other utensils. You can install the 8 extra S-shaped side hooks on the left or right side of the main frame. P2 boards. Giving you water and dust resistance, this shelf is constructed with green and healthy P2 boards that are sturdy and easy to clean. X-bar designs. To provide you with more support, stability, and durability, this product used an X-bar design to help prop up the board. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is this frame is a bit narrower than other units, but you can work around this by only putting containers. The fourth kitchen storage rack on our list is the ALVOROG 5-shelf shelving storage unit. If you're living in an apartment, dorm, or condominium with limited space, you can trust ALVOROG's 5-shelf shelving storage unit to help you organize your things. Aside from your kitchen, you can also put it in laundry rooms, garages, basements, and even offices. It packs a profile of 23.2 inches in length, 13.4 inches in width, and 59.1 inches in height with a weight of 14.17 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ALVOROG 5-shelf shelving storage unit a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to mount. Without requiring extra tools, this shelf is easy to mount since the package includes instructions and legs with 1-inch adjustable increments with slip sleeves. Durable wire shelving. All the layers of this item are equipped with a black coating plated finish that prevents it from accumulating dust, rust, water, and corrosion. Heavy capacity. Holding up to 55 pounds capacity, you can load your utensils, food baskets, and big containers into this shelf, and it's guaranteed to stay up for a long time. 4 leveling feet. Equipped with 4 leveling feet, this product keeps all the tiers in place even when you have a slippery or uneven ground. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is this model is not very wide, so it's better for tools and utensils than big kitchen appliances. The fifth kitchen storage rack on our list is the Denkee Kitchen Baker's Rack. Offering high practicality, the Denkee Kitchen Baker's Rack enters the league as a freestanding storage shelf that you can use in various settings. With this, you have a widening and lengthening design so you can expand the original dimensions of 15.75 inches in length, 31.5 inches in width, and 63 inches in height with a weight of 40.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Denkee Kitchen Baker's Rack a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to assemble. Taking only 15 to 20 minutes, this unit is relatively easy to assemble with the necessary tools and instructions included in the package. Sturdy and stable. Made with 0.59-inch thick particle board reinforced with an X-brace steel frame, this rack has excellent stability and durability. Large capacity. With 3 large bottom shelves and 2 top shelves, you can store as many kitchen supplies as you want, from juicers, blenders, and coffee machines to snacks, spices, and other ingredients. Easy to clean. You can easily avoid staining on this product by wiping the wood surface daily using a wet cloth. No need for detergents or special cleaning agents. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the placement of tiers is not interchangeable, which would mean that you have to be careful when putting the boards together. The sixth kitchen storage rack on our list is the Yaheetech 4-tier Baker's Rack. Made to be green, healthy, and durable, the Yaheetech 4-tier Baker's Rack uses engineered wood and metal to give you an exquisite piece of furniture in your kitchen. This model has 3 tiers with a 55-pound capacity each and 1 tier with a 33-pound capacity. It packs an overall size of 36.5 inches in length, 13.5 inches in width, 63 inches in length, and 37.54 pounds in weight. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Yaheetech 4-tier Baker's Rack a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: protective foot pad. You can prevent your rack from slipping, sliding, and causing scratches to your floor with the adjustable foot pads that you can lift or lower. Anti-tilt device. For even safer use, this product uses an anti-tilt device to make sure that the whole frame is secured to the wall. Rustic industrial style. Giving you a charming industrial vibe, the shelf is made with a rustic antique finish that looks good with plates, cups, and glasses. Metal square tube. Constructed with 0.8 inches metal square tube that works in tandem with a 0.6-inch thick particle board, this item flexes its robust stability for your kitchen supplies. X-shaped sides. Making sure your ingredients, tools, and appliances won't fall off from the side, this unit has X-shaped sides rounded out design for extra support. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is some users find that it's easier to install with 2 people, so you better get your best buddy's schedule cleared. The 7th kitchen storage rack on our list is the Armocity Kitchen Baker's Rack. As soon as you run out of space on your kitchen shelf, you should definitely check out the Armocity Kitchen Baker's Rack. This unit can provide a lot of space with its 3-tier open storage shelves, hutch, and 10 hooks, so you can put not only ovens and microwaves, but also pans, utensils, and spices. In terms of size, it is 16 inches in height and length and 34 inches in width, with a weight of 31.2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Armocity Kitchen Baker's Rack a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to install. Out of the box, you're getting detailed instructions and labeled parts so that you can prop up your rack without much time, effort, and other complications. Wooden board. Each tier is made of high-quality wooden board that gives the frame the necessary sturdiness and stability to last for a long time. Big capacity. The 2 tiers of this unit have a loading capacity of 70 pounds, so you can freely put in big kitchen appliances and heavy containers. Adjustable foot pads. To protect your ground from scratches and to prevent the shelf from sliding, this item is equipped with adjustable foot pads that you can rise and drop. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the topmost tier does not have any back support, so you have to make sure you're mounting the shelf very close to the wall. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated kitchen storage racks, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next kitchen storage rack roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.